Hey guys, it's Ganesh and I'm back with another freaking video. Today I'm going to be doing a house tour. I think this is for the first time or the second time. I don't know, but like I'm just gonna like show you guys around my house. Actually, so I'm gonna give you guys officially house tour. So make sure I like and subscribe because I do not want to do this because our house is kind of messy a little bit because like a little hair, like a little because my mom is basically doing some help. So this is the pantry where we put all our stuff and like all the cereal stuff, everything like basically there's some Cheerios over there. Like you see these, you probably be like, oh my gosh, what is this? This is the mop thing that we use. So I'm gonna put them down right here. So and these, I don't think we need them because like these is just shoes. We have see. Okay, I don't know what this is because my mama did not open this for a long time. So I'm not. Oh, what's this? So guys, yeah, this is some of these stuff is for 4th of July that we had. Like we didn't even open these stuff. Like we didn't open nothing. Okay, so yeah, that is the pantry. Shut up! This is called the pantry. This is the refrigerator with the little magnet on it. It just connects. I don't think this connects. Hold up. But this one. Okay, y'all need to see this because okay, I'm gonna put this side here. This is the refrigerator. But it says fridge something like that. But I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, it's like it's nothing much. It's just like I think this is just like chicken and stuff. This I think this is for Thanksgiving because yeah, this is one. This is a turkey. So I'm so happy for Thanksgiving because Thanksgiving is coming in a few days. So yeah, we have a turkey. We have these. Would I like these? So yeah, we have a lot of stuff. We have and I'm gonna show y'all stuff that's down here. So let me show y'all what I Ooh, okay, let me show y'all what I got. So I got this butter and I got my mama great like I think this is baked beans. This I guess this is macaroni, so yeah. And this is the juice that I really like because I like it. And yeah, like we got some cheese over here. We have this. We have all these stuff. So y'all can come to our house and have a party. Yeah. So yeah, up here, let me try to climb up here. Don't try this at home, please. So we have this stuff, and you know, you guys, we have the stuff up here. But yeah, so I'm gonna get off here. And yeah, that's the top of it. We got like these, we got sodas, and we got little stuff. Yeah. Okay, they can see both. So I'm gonna show y'all this. I guess this y'all can call this one soda section because basically this is where all sodas at. This brown one, I'm gonna put it back in here because it was out. Only and you know be nasty. And I got this little big old rice. We have a green. Let me see if I can see. We have a green soda. We have all the stuff y'all need. We got these. Just in case my baby sister a big so I missed out. I saw her own one. So we had like oil and stuff like that, and we had some other stuff. And this is not nothing much, but this is the stuff. I don't know this talk over here, but yeah, we have stuff like if someone come over here, I'm like, what God? Y'all, y'all come to my house, y'all. I'm gonna get this and walk out with this. So, what one should I use? I think this. I would smack y'all in the face. I'd be like, bah! I'd do the wall. I'd be like, ah, swing that. Ah, bah! Y'all gonna be on the floor. And I'm like, I'm gonna just, this is where like our spoon stuff go at. So, I'm gonna show you guys. So I have this for a reason. So this is where all the seasoning stuff at. I use seasoning over here. Cause this is where like basically food is at, like corn. We have spaghetti. So we have on this one. This is vanilla. We don't eat this, but and we have some baby food over here for our baby sister. So yeah, she eats that. And we have some little straws. I'm gonna get some. Shut up. So I got that. I'm gonna show y'all where this stuff actually have. This is where basically our stuff is at. And we have this. I don't think it's looking very much. But let me show y'all microwave, nothing much, just white and cute. Our house is just white. I like it. So I'm gonna show you. This is a big space. To be honest, because that's our old house. Guys never saw us in our old house because I didn't want to post no videos at the old house. But you guys can look up Anaja or Anaya Jones, and you can see me at my old house. If you see playing with my toys, you still we had big house with stairs, but this house we don't got stairs in it, but we had stairs in it and stuff, and it was lit. We never been bored. Like in this house, we've been bored. So yeah, but Christmas we probably ain't gonna never be bored. So yeah, so that's probably why we ain't bored. We was bored. So let me show y'all the rest. Let me stop playing. And then here we go. So I don't know what this is. But this is the plain thing. And we have like these centimeters cups. I'll call it centimeter cups. So you use this if you wanna like do centimeter stuff. And you can use this small one, like if you're using sugar, you can put the amount of sugar and put in there. And you have that one. We use this because if we want to use crabs, if we want to get crabs, right, and we can't get it, and we don't like got, if we can't know, like if we don't know how to open the crabs up, my mama bought this stuff so we can put this between the crabs and just like open it, close it, and then it just pop up. And we have this, nothing much but mail stuff. And we got some couple bottles over here. And we over here, it's nothing much. So yeah, look at the backyard. Let me show y'all the view of the backyard. And yeah, that's the view of the backyard. Now let me show you this side. Our house is like really is cute. So we have this section is where the knife at. I be scared of this knife basically. Anyway, we have a washing machine. I don't think we use this. We just put it on. like some plates and stuff in here, so I don't think we use it as a washing machine. But yeah, we'll put this up. Okay, anyways, let's not worry about this. But this is a scrubbing thing to make cakes, just in case if you need to scrub it up. Anyways, this is a lot of stuff. This you don't need to worry about this. This is no, but we have washing machine. We have a big washing machine. I mean, not washing machine. We have a big like plates and stuff in a washing machine. We have this. You know, we need this. We still got some more, so don't. It don't matter. We know, and we have like. Let me show y'all all the stuff that we have in here. So we got this. Basically, we have this for our table because like our table broke. It was glass, but it wasn't glass on. It was just failed. Oops. So yeah. Um. Basically, this is something the cleaner thing. And I don't know what it's this because I don't know. But oh, this is gloves. I'm gonna need these. So yeah, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this just in case because if I touch something, I could just use this as such and such. I don't get affected. So you guys, this is our room door thing because it broke. But I know how to fix it, but I'm not fixing it today. I'm just gonna change my mind when I'm gonna fix it, but I'm gonna ask for it as doors, not like that, but not like that, but mm, yeah. Look, y'all, let me do the thing. Thick, 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 thick. They be saying out there, look, y'all, I am, look, thick, 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 thick. I don't see thick, no, where, but my fat self, look, thick, thick, hold up, thick, 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 okay, that's funny, but yeah, we have all this stuff. We have this for my sister. We put that in the freezer and then it turned to ice stuff. This is the thing. If we get our hair done, my mama need to comb my hair. This is the hot comb. You put it in the oven, not in the oven, but like in the thing, and then it just turn hot. But anyways, let's go over there and explore some stuff. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. These, I don't know what this is, but yeah, this is not right. Really did not. Oh, you guys, like, I'm gonna got some cute little flowers over here. I'm not gonna touch it because I don't know if it's been outside, but it's yellow cute flowers. We always bring flowers to our house because they be saying they be like, oh, flowers for $1 or something like that. We be like, oh, we always grab it. But anyways, yeah, we do that. So, big, big, hey, okay. So this is the living room. We have a desk over here. Nothing much. We have a desk over here. Where I'm putting this at. We have like everything we need up here. We have a big, large TV. So when we in the kitchen, we could just watch it. Just like on Halloween, we put the little couches over here, and we had to lay down and stuff, watching some scary movies and stuff. It was lit on Halloween, to be honest. But I'm hungry, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat. But Not for right now, but I'm not in the kitchen anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the living room. This is the living room. I'm gonna show you guys. So, this thing just turned out on me. Woo! Woo! Okay, that's it. Dizzy. Okay. Okay, so this is the couch. This is this. We have a trampoline. Tomorrow we're gonna be so lit, cause like we have a trampoline, and we have this. Like this is the front door. This this is our what's it? My baby sister have a walker. She walk on it. We have like a little tent. I'm gonna start doing challenges on this little tent, but yeah, I mean she had balls on the tent. So we're gonna have us explore on this little art later, and this is what I'm saying at in school, and we're gonna go ahead and go to the bathroom. So I ain't gonna say it's clean or dirty or kind of. I'm not gonna say nothing because my opinion about this bathroom is pretty cool. Okay, so like we have this one. Okay, that's it. We have the tub. I know it's so small, but we're gonna go back. Oh, so the reason why I have these two things because like this is the Christmas tree is so white and cute. We have a flatbed thing, we have a towel, and we have jackets. Down there, and we have another one. But this is ours, and that is ours too. But we put covers on this one, so we have a lot of covers. We also have. I'm not gonna show you my mama room, my sister room, because I might get mad, you know. So, and my mama room plus is locked, and my mom said don't go in there, so I'm not gonna go in there. So, this is the dishwasher and stuff. I'm just gonna move on to my room. So, this is the pink room, I call it. So, we have a bunk bed. My sister's a little messy. Our room is kind of messy. So, yeah. We have a closet over there. We have a mirror. And yeah, that's it of the house. So this was a long video. So I try to make like a long video as it can. So yeah, make sure I like, comment, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you liked this video, because I sure did. So it's good to be back in my regular hands again. So make sure I like, comment, and subscribe.